Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade and replace the hard drive in a Dell Latitude E6230. So, anyways, let's get started by exiting the BIOS. Is it still on? It's still on. So I'm just going to shut that down, and let's just get straight into it. So, first of all, remove the battery if your laptop has a battery or working battery. And what you want to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver. You remove the battery with these tabs. You take a screwdriver. Hopefully your screwdriver works, and you want to screw it. The screw does not come all the way out, so if it seems like it's unscrewed, just pull like that, and then it just comes right off. So now what you want to do is get the hard drive out with its mount. What am I talking about? Okay, you want to get the hard drive out by unscrewing these two Phillips head screws. So there it is, the bracket, and the hard drive is right here. So you want to pull it up with this tab, and it comes right out. So if your Dell Latitude does not have a adapter like this, then you'll have to go out and buy one. But here's the Seagate 320 gigabyte drive. To me, it seems pretty small for a company-owned laptop because it came with Windows 7 Enterprise, and that's what it's running right now. I just didn't boot it up to Windows 7 because, I haven't erased a hard drive, and I probably won't because my dad used this device. So it's basically his backup laptop because it's his old one. But anyways, continuing with the video, you want to take off these rubber pieces right here. I've never taken these off before. And there we go. So now what you want to do is when you get your new hard drive, you just put these mounting rubber things back on. And then there we go. Now you can just put your little adapter on. Push that in there. Then you slide the hard drive back in like that. Sure, it's like kind of under this piece of plastic right here. And then push down. There you go. So pretty easy upgrade, to an SSD if your old hard drive is slow or failing, or you just want to upgrade it to be faster. Then you want to screw the two Phillips head screws into the laptop. And there you go. Pretty easy upgrade. This one has a fan issue. Sometimes it's really loud. Sometimes it doesn't spin at all. So, yeah. Just want to check how. Okay, this is 4 gigabytes. So, yeah, so more about this laptop. This one is an upgraded model with 8 gigabytes of RAM and a Core i7. So, not the Core i5 that I think most of these have. But, yeah, anyways, now what you want to do is put this panel on like that. And then you want to push up. And then screw it in. So, you might have a little bit of trouble putting this, screwing it back in. I did. when I opened this laptop before, and if you're wondering what happened to that sticker, I didn't know much about PC laptops or just PCs in general, so I tried to peel the sticker off to make it look more minimalistic. So there goes the product key. Not that it's important anyways, half of it's missing, you can't do anything with it. There's a photo of it somewhere. But anyways, put the battery inside, and then there you go. All done, and then you just have to install operating system of choice, Linux, Windows, Hackintosh it. It's possible, I guess. I'm guessing most people would be putting Windows 10 on here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.